waiting to be filled.
That is the poop of that. Idu. So this is the freshly harvested organic, natural radish, and you'll see innumerable little holes and all. That is the work of caterpillars. So these leaves, these plants, when they get attacked by any insect, all kind, anything kind of infection and all, they have genes inside them that can produce stuff that repels those pests. For example, all these have a lot of some 5 or 10 caterpillars might have been there. They're hidden somewhere. So whatever it is, when there's an insect attack on a vegetable, then the vegetable reacts by producing many substances that are make it stronger tasting, like they're called phytochemicals, and some technical names and all are there. So those genes to produce it are already embedded in it, and they get triggered whenever they get chewed on by something or other. So once the insects attack these vegetables, then those genetic stuff that expresses that particular chemicals, whatever is needed. So as a consequence, these organic vegetables which can survive getting chewed up a little bit by radishes and all, by caterpillars and all, they're full of those phytonutrients and all what we also need to stay healthy. So when pesticides are sprayed on these vegetables, the pests don't appear. So the plant doesn't need to produce all that extra chemicals and phytonutrients and bitter substances and all to protect itself. So it doesn't produce. It sends all that extra energy to produce the crop itself, that vegetable. And therefore it's fatter and juicier, and the leaves and all will not have any of these kind of holes and all in it. And it will be very rich in herbal properties of that species, whatever it is. So if you see, if you're an organic farmer and if you see some insect started attacking your vegetables and all, you shouldn't panic. Rather, you should celebrate that now the herbal properties of that vegetable is getting enriched naturally. So your vegetable quality will be infinitely superior. Taste also will be richer. And if a few holes and all other, it's perfectly edible. You can just trim that part out. For example, this leaf is quite chewed up. Here you can take a scissor and cut off all this, and that stem you can eat. You can add it to your dal or the dish, this part. So how to use this kind of leaf? Break off the top. The stem part, you can eat it raw also if you have a good digestive system and all. It's juicy and nice. So insect attack is a good thing, not bad. Good for us particularly who are going to eat that stuff. And the seeds of this kind of plants which got attacked by all these insects and all, they have more vigor and all because they are genetically superior.